Welcome to the Four-Wheel Campers showroom. Behind me is the aluminum flatbed tray by Norweld. Norweld is based out of Australia and they've been making these trays for over 50 years. They've been tested in all types of environments and they are the ultimate platform for your flatbed camper. Let's go check it out. In the front of the tray, built into the headboard, is an inlet for 16 gallons of fresh potable water. That almost doubles the amount of water that you have in your camper, allowing you to stay off-grid even longer. Coming around the rear of the tray, we have extra bright LED taillights as well as additional lighting, but my favorite part of this tray is this massive slide-out drawer so that you're able to store your exterior gear in here. When it comes to gear, there are just some messy things that you don't want inside your camper. I love these trays because they have 4 storage compartments, 2 on each side. These are a great place to put things like gray water bags, leveling blocks, or even trash. These all lock and they are made with aluminum. If you do want a flatbed camper of some kind, you will need to convert your traditional truck bed. To customize your own rig, visit our Build My Camper tool on our website, and we'll see you down the trail.